Many grinders can also achieve 2 microns precision. This YASHIDA 450I uses Taiwan's P4 live spindle plus wear-resistant slate weight, ultra-high precision, plus military-grade castings. The cast area is annealed, and the precision life is extended by 30%. It uses easily wear-resistant resin. The wear resistance is increased by 5 times. The oil mirror is visually monitored, and the machine is automatically circulated and oiled when it is turned on. We provide limited time benefits: 1 free process training, 2 free consumables worth 2,000 yuan, 24-hour after-sales response. If you are interested, contact us now.